I have a power station in my garage and always wanted to install a weatherproof power outlet to use its power outdoors. After some research, using the Journeyman-Pro receptacle kit seems to be the easiest option. The installation process is pretty straightforward. Using a drill with a 1.75-inch hole saw bit, carefully drill a hole through the wall at the selected location. Ensure the hole is clean and free of any debris that could interfere with the installation. Next, take the gasket included in the Journeyman-Pro receptacle kit and place it over the drilled hole. The gasket will help seal the outlet, making it weatherproof and secure. Run the 10-foot extension cord from the newly installed outlet into your garage. This cord is capable of handling up to 15 amps, 1875 watts, and 125 volts AC. Inside the garage, I plug the other end of the extension cord into my solar generator. This setup allows you to use power from my solar panels on the deck. The product also comes with a weatherproof cover which fits securely over the outlet. This cover is crucial for protecting the outlet from the elements, ensuring longevity and safety in outdoor conditions. The extension cord and outlet are designed to handle significant power loads, making them suitable for various applications, including powering tools, lights, cooking appliances, and other equipments. I use it with my induction cooktop and air fryer all the time and really enjoy cooking outdoors. If you don't use a power station, you can just plug it into any power outlet in your shed or garage. The Journeyman-Pro with 10-foot extension cable is currently available for $39 on Amazon, and I highly recommend it.